The last human pilot standing. In 2018, the U.S. Air Force deployed an AI-powered drone to fly a B-52 bomber for the first time, marking a major milestone in the development of autonomous aircraft. It started as a small project, but soon spiraled out of control, replacing thousands of pilots and crew members across various branches of the military. The Pentagon's top-secret, Project Maven, aimed to revolutionize drone warfare by leveraging AI to analyze vast amounts of data and make life-or-death decisions. One of the most surprising participants was the U.S. Army, which deployed an AI-powered robot called Scout to patrol the border in Arizona. This tiny robot could detect and track targets for hours without getting tired or losing focus. The numbers were staggering. By 2020, the Pentagon had allocated over $7 billion to develop AI-powered drones, with plans to deploy thousands more across various domains. But it's not just about the technology, it's also about the people who'll be replaced. As one veteran pilot told us, "When I heard they were gonna replace me with a machine, I felt like I'd been punched in the gut." That's when we discovered that a former Army Ranger had started his own company, creating AI-powered drones for humanitarian missions around the world. He saw an opportunity to use technology to make a difference, rather than just replacing jobs. As we dug deeper, we found that some countries are pushing the limits of what's possible with AI-powered drones. In China, for example, they've developed autonomous systems capable of flying over 1,000 miles without human intervention. But at what cost? As one critic pointed out, we're sacrificing our humanity to save a buck. One thing is clear: the future of warfare is going to be shaped by AI-powered drones. The question is, are we ready for it?